The reason I do this is because every day is something different. Every day we have the opportunity to document history.
I think football just does a lot of good for a lot of people.
Sometimes it's a religion, it's a way to bring families together, it's a way for all of us to connect.
Football really means so much to people. It can have the power to lift up an entire city. And I think as a sidelines photographer, it's my job to capture that emotion.
When I pick up a camera, I think my goal is to make the best art that I can make.
We're together, always, always. Let's go now.
I like getting the moments that people maybe somehow miss.
There's a lot of little things going on right now. You never know what you're going to get here.
I think I'm always looking for that fine line where there's a crossover between athleticism and emotion. It definitely can get hectic when you're on the sidelines.
You know, you're moving with the game. The game tells you where to go. When you're photographing the best athletes in the world, you've got to have the best equipment.
That's where Sony cameras really shine. They're incredibly fast. The autofocus is unbelievable.
Really, it just allows me to get certain shots that I don't think I'd be able to get if I wasn't using these cameras.
An NFL game is only something that happens for a few hours on Sunday, but through the power of images and video, I think it can live on forever.
I'm really excited for this partnership between Sony and the NFL. It's really the perfect combination of technology and sports.
You know, now I think we're only limited by our imaginations.